In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack notifications that aren't working. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, if you notice that your Slack notifications are a bit behind or simply not coming through, the first step is to check your notification pause settings. To do this, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll see a menu pop up. Here, you'll want to hover over the option that says Pause Notifications. Click on that and choose for 30 minutes. This step is essentially a temporary hold on your notifications, which helps to get your settings back on track. Now, after you've paused them, let's give it a soft reset. Click on your profile icon again, return to Pause Notifications, and then select Resume Notifications. That quick action should help refresh your alert preferences and might just do the trick. If that doesn't resolve the issue, no worries. There's another method we can try that focuses on channel notification settings. Start by navigating to the specific channel or workspace where you're noticing you're missing notifications. This could be a team channel or even a direct message thread you are part of. Once you're in that channel, look toward the top right corner of the channel's interface. There you'll find a 3 dots icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will give you access to more options related to that channel. Now what you want to do next is select Edit Notifications. You might see a variety of options here, but for the best chance of catching everything you need, switch the setting to All New Posts. This ensures that you'll be notified about every single update happening in that channel. Now keep an eye out for a desktop alert window that may pop up. It's a simple prompt asking if you want to enable notifications. Go ahead and click on that. After that, you may need to click on either Allow or Grant Permission on your browser or system prompt. This step is crucial. It ensures that Slack has the permission necessary to send you notifications. And there you have it. Between refreshing your notification settings and updating the channel preferences, you should be back in business, receiving all those vital updates from Slack. If things still aren't working after you've tried everything we discussed today, you might want to check other system settings related to notifications on your device, or even consider reinstalling the Slack application. Thank you so much for sticking with me through these steps. I hope this video helps you get your Slack notifications back on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy Slacking!